Project a variety of useful information onto Yukon's windshield with the available head-up display or HUD in the driver's line of sight. Lift up or press down on the HUD button toggle within the HUD bank to adjust the position of the image. Press the Info button to cycle through 4 displays. Speed View displays a digital speedometer and speed limit sign. Active Safety View adds available driver assistance graphics such as gap setting and lane status information to the left. Pedestrian alerts and trailer sway indicators are also displayed. Navigation Active OnStar View shows available turn-by-turn navigation information or a compass if a route is not active. Off-Road View puts off-roading information at the forefront, showing four-wheel drive status, pitch angle, steering angle, and rolling angle. Lift up or press down the right toggle to brighten or dim the display. Your saved HUD settings will appear during the next key-on cycle. For more information, refer to the owner's manual.